Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to fix playback speed is not working on YouTube. I know some people like to watch video on play speed, so in this video I'll be guiding you on how to do it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So the first thing you are going to do, you are going to tap on the video you want to do the play speed. When you tap on it, then go out from the YouTube app, then go back again. When you go back, play the video. After playing the video for a moment, then you are going to stop the video again. When you stop the video again, then you are going to scroll down and play any random shot here. Just play any random shot, then allow it to play for some moments again. Then after that, go back to the video. When you go back to the video, tap on the settings over here. When you tap on it, tap on playback speed. When you tap on playback speed, then it's going to show you the option. Then for example, let's tap on ×2 at the down. When you tap on ×2, then we are going to play the video. As you can see, the video is playing with its speed. So guys, I hope this video very helpful. If it do so, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.